Hey guys, welcome back to another video today. Autobeam new LED bulbs. So these have just been released. They are live now in the description. If you want them, go get them. The price on their website is £25. Obviously you got VAT on top of that, but CR10, which will appear here, CR10 will get you a discount. So make sure you use your discounts. You might as well. It's free money off. Anyway, the beauty of these new LED bulbs is the fact that they are error free, 100% across a way wider range of cars. So where normally they would design a bulb based on a specific car, you can now buy these for like the Focus, the Cougar. I would hold to myself and say pretty much any Ford car that can fit LED bulbs, stick them on your car. And whereas sometimes in the past, if you would have stuck multiple LEDs on all at the same time, you could end up with a hyper flash problem, which is basically like a canvas error. Now with these new ones, if you've got any of those cars that I mentioned, or you've ever been worried about the hyper flashing, these will fix the problem. So they're a little bit fatter and a little bit longer than standard halogen bulbs, but compared to the old Autobeam LED bulb, as you can see here, that's the difference we're looking at. It should be the exact same brightness, so there's no brightness change, but it's perfect for everyone. Obviously, if you want to fit these to your car, these are the new addition. So to install them on the Fiesta, it really is, as you can see here, it really is as simple as it's a twist mechanism, and you literally twist it, slide it out, and then with the bulb itself, you push it, twist, and it comes out. Simple as that. So now we're going to put the new one in. I'll show you guys where to remove it and where to install it, and we'll do a little light comparison test. So when it gets a little bit darker tonight, I'll come outside, I'll film for you guys and show you kind of the lightness difference between obviously the old version and the brand new version from Autobeam. So let's crack on. First thing I want to show you guys is where the indicator is located on the Fiesta headlights. It is literally here where my finger is. So obviously if we look at the front of the headlight, you've got indicator, you've got high beam, and you've got your normal beam, main beam. So that's your dipped high indicator. So as you can see, obviously I've removed the indicator already from this side. Obviously if we were to look at the other side, we've obviously got indicator there, high beam, dipped. So on this side you can see just the plug just down there. That plug there is your indicator. So we're going to open up this packet and I'll show you how to pop it in. So all you got to do to put these in, very, very simple. Obviously you've got two notches here and you've got two little prongs here. Literally line the prongs up with the notches, pop it in, give it a little twist, and it's done. So that is the new Autobeam indicator ready to go. Obviously your installation may differ if you've got a Focus or a Cougar, but I'm sure across the range in terms of Ford, they wouldn't change it too much from this system. So anyway, to put this bulb in, very, very simple. Once again, you've got two tabs. You're going to basically locate the holes, just give it a wiggle. You'll normally go in at kind of this angle and then you'll twist to lock it. So obviously if you want to, you can take your headlights out, but for an indicator you really don't need to. You really just slide the bulb behind all the pipe work, slide the bulb in itself. So once you've got it into the right position, just give it a push, twist it to lock. That's now fully secured. As you can see from the front, we have the beautiful new Autobeam LED installed. Obviously we can test this very, very quickly. Okay, that's very, very, very bright. Let's have a quick look at the other side. Compare. So as you can see, in my opinion, it's kind of hard to see at the minute. I'll try and get a shot completely from the front. Ignore the dirty car. I would say they're the exact same brightness. So yeah, exact same brightness, 100% error free. Doesn't matter what car it's run on, as long as you've got the correct fitment. Obviously they will be releasing in the future different fitment types depending on your car, but as long as you've got the correct fitment, they are error free, you're good to go, and these are the brand new ones released by Autobeam. So make sure you go pick them up in the description. So now onto the rear of the car. Very simple to do. And behind this rubber boot seal here, you can grab your carpet. Once you grab it, give it a pull and that'll open it up. From here, you've got to reach your hand inside, and behind, basically that far in, behind the headlight is a plastic wing nut. So it's like basically it's hand tight. If you haven't taken your rear lights out before and it's from factory, you may need to get some pliers in there. So obviously you can remove the carpet more if you need to. If you have taken it out before, you could probably still do it by hand. But once you get your hand inside, so as you can see, that's the bit that you're undoing. From here you've got two torque bits, one's at the top, one at the bottom. Once they're done, literally just give your headlight a little wiggle and a pull, and you want to pull it straight back towards you. As they are on, this and little lugs that basically go in the side here. Once you've got it undone, your indicator for the Fiesta obviously is the closest one to this corner here. Once again, all you do is twist and pull out, and that is your indicator. Once again, you'll find for most Fiestas, this isn't for everyone, so please check your fitment before you buy these. Once again, I've got the two prongs that are offset, so I know that's my fitment, so obviously I'm going to buy that fitment on Autobeam. Once again, little comparison between the two. So as you can see, the old ones are slightly longer, these are shorter and wider. To insert them back into the bulb holder, exact same process in reverse. Slot them into the slots, turn it, give it a little wiggle, make sure it's in. So just to give you a better view of the indicator, basically you twist it and then you can remove it, so that's now loose, and obviously you're going to push it back in that orientation and you're going to lock it. Now it's in place. You can detach the tail lights if you want to, just with this clip, just a little push clip. But I'm going to now reattach that. Once again, be careful with obviously the prongs. Give it a little push, and then once again we can test it just by locking the car. And a comparison from the back. Cool, so hopefully that kind of shows you how to install them at the rear of your car. And once again, I can't emphasize enough, these are now error free from the majority of the range. So if you guys do have a Focus or a Cougar, or any of the cars that you can upgrade with LED lights, these are the ones to get. So a few things to mention before we wrap up this video. Obviously the nighttime shots are coming after this clip. I just want to kind of read the statement that he wrote to me, the owner of Autobeam, just so I get the facts correct for you guys. So they are the same resistance as standard bulbs. So basically that means there is no issue with the car thinking you've got weird bulbs in, hensing the hyper flash. So they are the same resistance. They're only a small amount wider, and obviously as you can see they're slightly shorter than the old style. But they are only very slightly longer than a standard halogen bulb, which normally comes in your car. And finally, they've also got stock of the 382 indicators, 382 reverse lights, 382 rear lights, 380 rear lights, etc, etc, of the same unit. So basically they are releasing a whole new range for all of their lights, which will mean no errors for you guys basically. So yeah, they're going to be introduced over the next week or two, but right now these indicators are live on their website. Once again, CR10 if you guys want to get a discount. Once again, it's free money off, why wouldn't you? I don't get anything for that, it's literally giving back to you guys for watching this video and supporting Autobeam and supporting myself. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Nighttime clips coming up. Remember to subscribe, leave a like and comment down below. Hopefully you like this video.